Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Lucidchart AI. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and practical so you can quickly understand how to start using Lucidchart AI inside a sample project. If you're following along on your own screen, feel free to pause between actions as needed. To begin, open the sample project in Lucidchart. This gives you a ready-made workspace to test the AI features without needing to build a diagram from scratch. Starting in a sample project is helpful because it lets you focus on learning the tool itself rather than spending time setting up a new file first. Once the project is open, take a brief moment to look over the canvas so you know where everything is located. Next, move your attention to the top left area of the screen and click on the AI icon. This is where Lucidchart's AI tools can be accessed. If you don't immediately recognize it, look carefully along the upper toolbar. The icon opens the panel or controls that let you interact with the AI features, so this is your main entry point for generating content with assistance from the platform. After that, click on the text box. This is the area where you'll type your instructions for the AI. Think of this box as the place where you tell Lucidchart what you want it to help create. It's a good idea to click directly into the field and make sure your cursor is active before typing. That way, your prompt goes exactly where it should. Now enter the sample prompt. This prompt is the instruction that tells Lucidchart AI what kind of output you want. When entering a prompt, clarity matters. Use direct language and be specific about what you want the AI to generate. Even if you're just testing the feature, a clear prompt usually leads to better and more useful results. If you're following a demo exactly, enter the provided sample prompt as shown on screen. And that's it for the basic process. You've opened a sample project, accessed the AI tool, selected the text box, and entered a prompt to begin working with Lucidchart AI. As you continue practicing, you'll get more comfortable with how different prompts affect the output. Small wording changes can make a big difference, so it's worth experimenting once you understand the basics. Thanks for following along. With these simple steps, you're ready to start exploring Lucidchart AI more confidently.